Jasani. Tapos, after that, naano si amay ni teacher kay Jasani. Ambaya, okay lang kay Jasani. Tapos, ano niya, nasikit niya na pungko sa ambaya agay. Tapos ako, okay lang kay Jasani. Tapos, pungko
Oyo, oyo,
tapos
oyo, oyo.
ako na ang push.
Naman na ang push and pull. Ah. So, do you understand now what is push and pull?
Mommy, tell me.
Oh, my turn. Your turn.
I just say me bill.
And then?
And then, I say, I know what it is. This mama, I never say. I will say, mama, to listen to mama. I just say, me bill, mama.
Ah, really?
Ako naman.
Red?
Bago kung hindi ka nagparking.